Hello guys, let me introduce you Puzzle Profits. I am Chayan from quickpreview.in, and before getting into the members area, let me clear you why Puzzle Profits makes sense. Okay, so let me show you from Amazon. If I just search puzzle book, okay, I am refreshing it one time so that you can believe me more. So it is giving me 80,000 results, and let me show you that this has got 920 ratings. That means I can think of that 10 times more it has been sold. Like it has been sold 19,000, sorry, 19,000 times. Okay, so this has got 6,780 times, so this has been sold more than 60,000 times. Okay, so that is the thing I want to show you, that puzzles are really needy these days, and people just wanna give their children some work, some brain challenge, and that is why these kind of tools are really relevant these days. So let me now show you from the members area this tool. You can build puzzles using this tool very easily. Let me show you, but let me tell you also, there is only one type puzzle can be built inside this tool. That is a very big con of this tool. Let me show you. So inside puzzle generator, if I click on that, let me put any of the names from my previously saved. So I have chosen the puzzle name AB, and I need to mention the puzzle words. So apart from these words, I want to mention China, and I want to mention India, and I want to mention UK, USA. So these words I want to mention. And puzzle grid size, so puzzle grid will be in square form, like 10 by 10 or 20 by 20. I am choosing 20 for this video. So I am submitting it, and the puzzle will be instantly given, and this puzzle contains these words. So you can just give any of your kid or children, any of the babies or students these puzzles. You can click on save image and you can save it. You can print out it, make a printout, and just make a book and just sell it inside Amazon, or you can also build up the PDF form, anything you want. You can do the same thing with animals, with birds, anything you want. So that is the puzzle profit, and nothing much to show you. You can click any of the buttons on this page to just get this tool, and this will cost you $19.16. And apart from that, I am giving you the bonuses. So front end bonus 29 bonus, and mega bonus is 400 plus bonus for any of the upsells. You need to go through the front end to just use these upsells. So these bonuses now you're watching on the screen, that will be given to you instantly, automatically to you, totally free. From every field I have tried to give you the bonuses, and I am saying it from my heart that from every field I think no one is giving you this kind of bonus. And I have I haven't came across, sorry, I have not come across any puzzle creating software before this software. And as a puzzle creating software, I recommend it, because I think this should be inside $17, but $19 is not a big deal. That will be also good and very good, so you can get it, strongly recommended. And bonuses, my best bonuses I can give you, so I have chosen them. And there is also the upsell bonus with 400 plus stuffs. I call it as mega bonus. So there is also the vendor bonus. These are the vendor bonus, and vendor bonus is very big bonus, like 104 plus bonuses. So that is a thing. I don't can't show you all of the bonuses here. That need to make an other video. And you can, if you have any query, you can click on this orange written stuff, and you can ask me from my soft member page, Facebook. So that's all from my side. I think that will be okay for you. This is the sales page, and for the launching period you can get this tool within $15. Okay, so that's all. Have a good day. Thank you. I am Chan. I am signing out for this video. Bye bye.